Hi. What you been doing? Hmm?
Smiling.
Smiling. So you been playing with spaghetti? Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, there's spaghetti there. On the bench. Over there. Miss Rose. What you doing?
Picking up.
You picking up the spaghetti?
I'm not.
You're not? Why not?
Because
You're a curly girly? Let me see those curls. Turn around. Look at that girl. Hmm. Katie,
Huh?
help Rosie pick up. Go on now. Can't do it.
Take a picture of my painting.
Did you do that?
I got it for Grandma.
Oh, you do it for Grandma. She'll like that. Love Grandma? Grandma loves you too. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye, Rosie.